Hello, this is Annie Sony. Subscribe my channel on YouTube and don't forget to press notification bell ताकि आप मेरा वीडियो देखें सबसे पहले।
Hey, this is Annie Sony. Hey, I was doing just fine before I met you. I drink too much, that's an issue, but I'm okay. Hey, tell your friend it was nice to meet them, but I hope by now I see them again. I know it breaks your heart. Moved to the city in a broke down car, and for is no car. Now you're looking pretty in a hotel bar, and now I can't stop. No, I can't stop. So baby, pull me closer in the backseat of your Rover that I know you can't afford. But the tattoo on your shoulder, pull the shit right off the corner of the mattress that you stole from your roommate back in Boulder. We are now we're getting older. We are now we're getting older. We are now getting older. From your roommate back in Boulder, we are now getting older. We are now